Tell me what we got going on. Yeah! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Drive Theory. If you haven't checked out the last episode, make sure you do that before watching this one. In today's episode, there's a fist. Tell me what we got going on. Yeah! Tell me what we got going on, bud.
All right, so we're gonna fix.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So
ignore this. Ignore this nonsense right now. Anyways,
how you doing, bud?
door cards, flashlight.
The last
Fucking
two times
mint.
I tried to use launch control, it's done that and went right to red line. I didn't try to do that.
Fuck.
Yep. This other one was the worst one.
Oh yeah.
And
Man, it does look better.
it looked
You
better
sprayed
than
some more.
what it did.
Yep.
Right
Mm-hmm.
there. Well, this one is actually already good.
Bad trim up fender.
But yeah, we're gonna trim up the fender, then we're gonna Bondo it, and then we're gonna paint it.
Yep.
Hopefully.
Gonna be mint.
Right.
What we got going on right here?
You love Sig so much.
What the fuck?
I love
We're running
liquor.
out of it.
Liquor and cigs.
Liquor and cigs.
I like liquor and weed.
Oh,
I think it's out. I think it's empty.
you're cooked, bud. You can fill that with Bondo. That should be fine.
Well,
We're actually fixing it somewhat the right way.
yeah.
Better than fucking just slapping Bondo on there.
Right.
It's empty. Isn't it?
It is empty.
Dumbass.
Yeah.
It's a do.
You eating the Bondo?
I need
Making a snack?
I need the Bondo.
I'm
Yeah.
concerned I fucking blew a head gasket in my car after doing that.
Fuck. Why? From revving it?
Let me drive it. I'll tell you if
You're
you did
chilling
or
about
not.
it.
I'll tell you, dude.
Chase would beat the dog shit out of it. I let him. It was fine.
Need to harden that shit.
Hard as shit.
Harden that shit. Where is it? Up there?
How much of this shit should I put in?
All of it.
I don't know about
I mean,
that. Should I?
you put a decent bit. Oh, okay. That's
pretty much
probably
all of
Yep, she's gonna be hard. You better hurry up now. Time is of the essence. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it.
Oh, it's on me.
Alright, you're gonna be fucking bondoed up, bud. I'll bondo you up.
That's gay.
Oh yeah, look at that. You should probably focus on the hole first.
No, dude.
What? Yeah, there you go. It's gonna be so good. Let's look at this body line real quick. Take
Well,
a.
that's why we can do this. We should have made more. We need more. Tap it.
Tab it. What the fuck?
Let's go.
Shit's slow as hell. Just use the whole fucking can.
Well,
Might
I
as
fucking
well.
bought it, motherfucker.
Yeah, what else are you gonna use it
If I
for?
fucking want to use it, I will.
Might need it on your fender. You should hear his fucking fender. He's got some plastic fucking sticking out. It's even worse
Dude,
than it
it's so
normally
fucked.
is.
We're gonna fix.
Alright, I was inside. This guy's fucking going to work over here. How's she looking, bud? What? How's she looking? Looking. Holy shit. You don't want to sand too much.
Watch out, bud.
Oh, God. Aren't you sanding the tape right now? Oh. Oh, shit. That's actually pretty straight. Holy fuck. I'll fuck you up. Get this guy bad. He's bad. He's almost vent leaning. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, buddy. Fucking Bondo.
Body work.
Doing body work. Body work. Yeah. What you know?
I know the way.
Dude,
Cross
he
the
looks
border.
horrifying with the fucking
You look
beard.
Amish as fuck. You could actually
He looks like a
pass
big- he
as
looks
an
like a big
Amish.
hunter right
So what's going on in today's episode?
Yeah.
When he stand like right here, and his camera, you get the red from the tail light on his
Oh.
fucking face. Fuck. There we go.
Tell us where Bigfoot is.
Eat that way.
Dude, he needs a Marlboro red.
This guy's getting canceled.
I did lie.
Fuck you.
I did lie.
Where's the flashlight? Just start stabbing Logan with the fucking putty knife.
What the fuck
It
happened?
came out when I was. It came out.
Yep. You'll have that on them big jobs. Do another coat, bud.
Oh yeah.
You start on that crater. You dumbass. You start on that crater right there.
How about you shut the fuck up?
Dude, I am a goddamn auto body specialist, you
No, you're not.
Okay,
motherfucker.
yours did not look as good as mine.
I didn't use fucking spray foam, buddy.
That's because you're retarded. You said you knew how to do this.
Yep. That's the fucking industry secret.
Spray foam.
The secret auto fucking
That
car
shit-
mechanics
that
don't
shit
want
for
you to know
YouTube,
about.
Rip. Rest
Fucking
in
mystery.
peace. Rest
Put
in
a-
peace.
Pour one out.
Pour one
Fucking
out for
go.
the goat.
Holy shit.
Dude. Pour one out.
I can't say it. You're recording.
I did.
This guy.
Stop recording. And I'll
He's
say it.
Amish. He doesn't know. He doesn't know how to hold the light. It's not a lantern. Yep. What's going on here?
Everybody's retarded.
I gotta fix it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that what you're gonna do, musky man?
Yep.
Jebediah.
Jebediah, what you know?
Boom. Okay, let's see.
Let's test.
Oh, it might be in there for a little bit. Till I rev it.
The Amish man's crafty one.
Damn straight.
When I go to sand it, it's
Did you figure out how to use the flashlight now? Are you into the 1930s yet?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Nope.
Where's your horse?
Fucking dead.
Maybe not yet.
Yeah, what you know about that?
Those guys fucking out.
Yeah, doing body work. Body work. Looks like something was wrote here. Oh, yeah. ripping the fucking hoopty, bud.
We are.
Yeah. She's ripping. Yep. Got her in fucking manual mode.
Yes, we did.
Are you hear that fucking ripping? This fucking thing, it's not even misfiring. Thing's a unit.
It is.
Better fucking eat, bud. Oh, jerk tire. Yeah. Fucking ripping, bud. Gotta get that alternator spent. Doing another fucking battery charging tutorial. If you guys didn't check out the last one.
That deer is insane.
Dude, there was a deer here, and bro was mean mugging me. I swear to God. Oh, he's gone. He's fucking right here. Where are you, deer? Where deer? He just jumps through the window.
Starts fucking eating your goddamn face.
Oh!
What is that?
Raccoon.
So we made a discovery, ladies and gentlemen.
We forgot.
We found traction
We found
control.
traction control. We turned it off.
It no longer exists.
So now we're gonna see what happens.
We gonna see. Yep, let her eat.
That wasn't good.
Stop it. Oh. Yep, hit it.
We didn't even chirp. That was coming.
This thing sucks.
Yeah.
Yep. This guy's a dumbass. Oh, where the light? Where the light? All right. So what are you thinking on this thing, bud?
I think it's a lot better than what it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, show him the fender.
Show him the fender.
Yeah, oh, you almost took that. Hold on. Fuck, did you let it bug in? The fuck?
Ah, it's getting me. There it is.
Dead. I gotta fucking pay attention. You got me distracted over here.
This guy's drunk.
I ain't drunk. I take lefts.
Left turn.
Left to make it right.
Yep. Let's see the final look. Post fucking rip. I mean, shit. Comparing to having a hole, fucking, I'll do a before and after. Thing's pretty mint.
Yeah.
Yep. The Mushki lost his power.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty, boys. We got a speedometer POV going on here. I kind of forgot to film an outro, so we're doing that now. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, sorry, I'm fucking merging right now. Perfect time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got the rabbit looking a little better. As good as that thing's gonna fucking look, if we're being honest, boys. But I mean, in the grand scheme of things, that fender actually, for just fucking laying spray foam on it and Bondo, it turned out good enough. A lot better in a hole. I feel like I've said that like 14 times in this video. But I know this video is kind of all over the place. Same with my brain. So I don't know how good of the capture I did of the entire thing. But anyways, if you watch the video this far, I appreciate you. Stay tuned for the next one and have a good night.